Boom, your lights went out. That's when you call us.
Let's go to the ice. Yeah. Okay, taking the face off for the checkers and Barre Boulet for the crunch. Barre Boulet gets caught. The Hickey taking the face off for the crunch. The cake gets caught. And the cake has gone. There's a shot wide. Carrot. Now it's placed down in the crunch end. They're fighting for the puck in the corner. Oh, the crunch have it. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, and dumps it in. Konskowski has it. Through the checkers to McCown. Now Colton. That's a shot by Kachuk. That's saved by Nedeljkovic. Wow. Has it. The shot. Save made by Ingram. Chernak to Colton. Another fight for it in the corner. And now the Bean has it for the checkers. Over to Watt. To Menelainen. To Robertson. To Bean. The Breed fights for it for the crunch. As does Stevens. Robertson. Now the crunch, bring it up. There's a pass by Zavolkov. And 17-24, Charlotte 4, Syracuse nothing. And that'll do it for this picture. See you next time. And it's French County. That'll do it for this picture. We'll see you next time here at 2. Until next time, have a good day.
Boom, your lights went out. That's when you call us.